if x equals negative 3, what's the value of g of x? In other words, if you plug negative 3 in wherever you see an x, what do we get as a result? Well, it's going to be 4 times negative 3 squared minus 3 times 7 times negative 3, right? And then minus 5. I don't know why my pen is going out here. Okay, too many parentheses. So there we go. I've rewritten g of x with all the x's replaced by negative 3's. Now we just need to sort out what's happening with all the negative signs and the parentheses and so on. This is where order of operations comes in pretty handy. Do you know what to do first? Well, most people remember the order of operations as PEMDAS. First you do parentheses, then you do exponents, then you do multiplication, and so on. I learned to push Elvis's mother down a sewer. That's the one I grew up with. But whatever you use to remember this thing is fine. Just do it in the proper order. Okay, so multiplication comes before addition or subtraction. Exponents come before multiplication, and so on. So let's get to it. G of negative 3 equals, and I'm going to simplify these things gradually. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. Okay, the negatives cancel out. 3 times 3 is 9. I'm not going to do this 3 times part yet because I haven't sorted out what's on the inside of that parentheses. So I go into the parentheses and I find more stuff. I find multiplication that I want to do first. So 7 times negative 3 is negative 21. I'm not dealing with the negative 5 yet. Okay, in the next step, I say, oh, 4 times 9, that's 36. And over here, I'm not ready for that 3 times part because I haven't sorted out what's in the parentheses yet. Negative 21 minus 5, no problem, negative 26. And now I think I'm ready to get that last parentheses. Minus 3 times minus 26. It's going to be some kind of positive. And if you plug 3 times 26 into your calculator, just to be sure, it's something like 78, I think. So now we add these two together. And 70 plus 30 is 100. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, so there we go, 114.